Hello, I'm in a 2015 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on and your display's on, which this currently is. And from your main screen here, you can either connect to this phone option, or you can go through your settings. And then through your settings here, we get to phone. And then here, it'll list your options here, so we'll do Bluetooth devices. And then here, there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete one before you can add a new one. So we'll add a new device.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So make sure Bluetooth's on your device, and often if you press and hold it, it'll pull up your pairing menu. So from here, we're going to watch for sync to pop up. Sometimes this takes a few tries. It popped up right away this time. So we hit sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So this numbers, they do match the random ones on the vehicle, so we'll hit pair. And then yes on here, and then after just a few moments you should be all connected. So at this point you should be able to take
For your
phone calls, listen
safety,
to music.
please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
To my phone. And then newer models too, like this, you should be able to connect your maps and things as well. It just depends on your make and model. And then you can sync up, you can make it your favorite, so it'll try to auto connect to your phone every time you start the car. You can connect your phone book to make it easier for taking calls, things like that. So apply the changes you want. And then if you're having issues playing music, make sure you go through here, through your arrows, to make sure you're on your phone Bluetooth here.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So now that I'm on this menu, you should be able to play the music from your phone. If that's having issues, double check your volume is on as well, on here as well as on your device. But that's it. I hope this was helpful.